All right, so today I've got to replace the hood struts, and I will show you why. This is a 2000 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer, and it has a 5.4 liter Triton V8 engine. It's all-wheel drive, has four-wheel drive. So just trying to fix it up so it's safe and drivable, and I want to donate this vehicle to a needy family. Or individual. We'll just appreciate it if you guys out there will pray that the Lord will lead me and my wife to the right family and really bless their socks off. And we do this for God's glory, not ours. So if I do this again, you won't see me talking about it because I want my rewards in heaven and, not on earth. So, all right, this should be pretty straightforward. The reason I found out that this needed struts, because it seemed pretty sturdy, I had my LED light here, little remote $5 light on here, and it was just enough to make it close. So there you go. All right. So in most cases, there's clips that come around a ball connector on there. And when you back that clip off, these little sockets will come up. So got a support here that should keep me out of trouble. There we go. So that's probably too big. It's a little smaller. So I got a little flathead screwdriver. Whoa. You can see that. You just kind of pop it up. So that's usually enough to pop it out. And on the top, that looks funky, but I think it's the same method. Yep. I felt like it snapped back on. Oh yeah, it's leaking pretty good. It's weird. I gotta get smaller screwdrivers. I got this little tiny one, electronics, and there you go. So show you how to basically do the same thing to install a new one. I happened to get these at O'Reilly. They were cheap. I think they were like 20 bucks. And it should do what I needed to do. So you do the same thing to get them started, to install them. Whoa. Slide it up a little bit. Same thing here on this one. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna put the top one in first. Okay. There's the top. Put the bottom one on the ball there. Slide that back in there. All right, so there's one. Let me see what that does, just having that one fresh support. Oh yeah, those are strong. All right, let me do the other one and then I'll show you how it's working. All right, let's see how they do. Perfect. That's how it should be. Sweet. So now it's safe. So my goal is to get this thing safe, drivable as much as I can, and then it should be in good enough shape to get someone around for a few years. They maintain it well, and then maybe they can use it for a trade-in or something, or put some more money into it, make it last longer. But really, I know what it's like to not have a vehicle and when you need it. So this will be pretty awesome for somebody. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you when we swap the battery out.